Hello friends, welcome back. You already watched my videos on the campus to industry connect. Now today we will talk about the oil and gas sector. India being a vast country which is always the energy requirements are very high, we require all kinds of energy to be produced, whether it is in hydropower or thermal power stations or nuclear power stations or oil and gas sectors. Now, oil and gas being the predominantly important sector for our energy requirement as well as for our vehicular traffics, both truck and passenger traffic, both material and men movement. We need to grow our reserves in the oil and gas, as well as we need to build a lot of capacities to meet our oil and gas requirement. So India is inviting large companies like ExxonMobil, Halliburton, Dresser, and big multinationals like Shell to India to invest on their oil and gas requirements. Also, India is going all over the world to places like Southern Sea and African countries, also in the Middle East, investing heavily on the oil wells and oil rigging. Now, to become more efficient in oil exploration and the product conversion, we built large capacities to refine the products and make the products more economical within India. It's not only the refining sector, it also associated with large quantum of equipments which are required for the oil and gas refining. So there are several mechanical engineering industries which are coming up to produce the products like valves, pumps, compressors, generators, pipelines, all sorts of electrical electronic equipments within India to take care of our needs in the energy sector. Now, these industries are not commonly coming up in a large way. The big industries are not setting up. They are outsourcing to the smaller sectors. Now, when we talk about the smaller sectors, it's mostly the SME sector, which is producing and contributing to these OEMs. So there are lakhs and lakhs of companies all over India available to produce all these products across India to supply to the OEMs, who will finally give the products and their services to the refining units. Now, the government is also giving a large thrust to the SME sector. So because of that, the SMEs are building their capacities within India with a very high quality requirement for the energy conservation and energy production. So the oil and gas sector is growing phenomenally here in the SME area. So people should look for that type of companies to get employed. Now, the oil and gas sector is not going to adapt mechanical engineers as such. They need some specific skill sets. The major skill sets they are looking at is the welding, the foundry technology, as well as the quality control, something like non-destructive examinations like dye penetrant and magnetic particle inspection, radiography. But then because of the high quality requirements, these are all to be trained to their requirements to meet the high quality. products, high quality production. So the mechanical engineers should equip themselves with the high-end training in these areas, which is predominantly required to get themselves employed in a robust growing SME in oil and gas sector. How to get equipped yourself with these skill sets, we will be talking to you in the coming episodes. Keep watching us. See you soon.